Hello dear student, myself Miss Snehal Chakurkar, working in a department of pharmacology. Today we are giving the special focus on our next bit, that is the beta-lactam antibiotics. What is a beta-lactam antibiotics? These are the antibiotics is having beta-lactam ring as a basic moiety in its structure. This is a actual structure of the beta-lactam ring. Which are that example of that antibiotics are the penicillins, cephalosporin, monobactam and carbapenem. The cephalosporin are chemically related to the penicillin. Their nucleus is consisting the beta-lactam ring which is fused together the dihydrothiazine ring. All the beta-lactam are having the same mechanism of action, but the difference is in their various spectrum of antibiotic activity. The example of first beta-lactam antibiotic is penicillin. Penicillin, it is an antibiotic obtained from fungus Penicillium notatum. But presently, due to the large quantity of the penicillin is required, that Penicillium notatum gene is replaced with the Penicillium chrysogenum. This is a mutation carrying gene which will be giving the high yield of the penicillin derivative. Then the penicillin is get classified into two major classes. In that first class is naturally occurring derivative, that is a penicillin G. Second class is a semi-synthetic derivative. These are again classified into acid resistance derivative that will be used as an alternative to penicillin G. Example is penicillin V. Then penicillinase resistant penicillin. That penicillinase resistant penicillin is methicillin. Next is extended spectrum penicillin. This penicillin is having the wide spectrum of activity. And last is beta-lactamase inhibitor. Example is clavulanic acid. These are the next classes derivative which will be resulting into the increasing the spectrum of activity of the natural penicillin, because these are the various alternative pathways which will be causes the resistance formation inside the bacteria against the drug. The extended spectrum penicillin is further classified depending upon their structure into aminopenicillin, example is ampicillin, carboxypenicillins is a carbinicillin, and uridopenicillin is piperacillin. Then what is the mechanism of action of penicillin or all the beta-lactam antibiotics is bacteria which will be synthesize UDP N-acyl muramic acid pentapeptide which is called as a PARC nucleotide, and UDP N-acetyl glycosamide. It is also called as a NAM and NAG. These are joined together with cross-linked peptide, and then the UDP is split off with the help of enzyme transpeptidase. The transpeptidase is termination of a D-alanine of the peptide chain. Then during this process the energy is released for the establishment of the cross linkage between the peptide chains of the neighboring strand. These strands are connected together with the transpeptide. Then that will be causes this process is helpful for the synthesis of bacterial cell. But once we administered the beta-lactam antibiotics, that will block the enzyme transpeptidase, and due to that there is a no cross linking takes place, and there is a faulty bacterial cell wall get synthesized, or which will be resulting into the bacteriostatic action. Then it is a wide flashback of the all penicillin derivative is what are the antibacterial spectrum. It is having the narrow spectrum of activity. Then resistance. The resistance to the penicillin is occurs due to the penicillin binding protein which will be located at the deeper side of the bacteria, and hence the penicillin is not able to penetrate up to that deepest side. Then the production of the penicillinase enzyme inside the bacteria, that will be causes the breakdown of the beta-lactam ring. Then what are the adverse drug reaction of the penicillin? That is a local irritancy or direct pain at an intramuscular injection site. Then nausea when there is oral administration, and the thrombophlebitis after the intravenous administration. Then next is a mental confusion, muscular twitching, convulsion, coma. These are the common side effects. Then hypersensitivity, rashes is occurs due to the penicillin is having the tendency to show the hypersensitivity reaction. Superinfection is another side effect is occurs with the penicillin is there is a hiding of the superficial or simple infection, but after the stoppage of the therapy that infection is show the wide range of the adverse effect. Then next is the Garrison-Hexamer reaction. It is a caused due to the shivering, fear and malaria-like condition. Then what are the interaction? The penicillin is interacted with the sulfonamide derivative which will be show the adverse effect. Penicillin is also shows the interaction with the other antibiotic that will be resulting into the toxic reaction. Then what are the treatment? The penicillin is used for the treatment of streptococcal infection, pneumococcal infection, meningococcal infection. Also, the penicillin is used for the treatment of gonorrhea and syphilis like a sexual diseases. Also, the penicillin is used for the treatment of diphtheria, tetanus and the gas gangrene. Also, the penicillin is used as a prophylactic for the rheumatic fever and the bacteria endocarditis. Then second derivative which will be at having the beta-lactam ring is cephalosporin. These are the semi-synthetic antibiotic which will be derived from the cephalosporin C. It is obtained from a fungus Cephalosporium. Then the classification of the cephalosporin is having the major 4 classes, that is first generation derivative, second generation derivative, third generation derivative and the fourth generation derivative. There is a further continuously resolution takes place in the cephalosporin basic moiety and to get the superior derivatives. Then next it is the antibacterial spectrum and resistance which is the same as a penicillin G. The adverse drug reaction is same as a penicillin, that is a site at a intramuscular injection, pain, then diarrhea due to the altering the gut wall bacterial efficacy, then the hypersensitivity reaction, nephrotoxicity, neutropenia and the bleeding. Then what are the interaction? The cephalosporin shows the disulfiram like action. Also it shows the allergic like a penicillin. Then it is having the interaction with a aminoglycoside, shows the nephrotoxic reaction. Also it is having the various interaction with the anticoagulant agent which will be causing the excess bleeding. Then what are the uses? It will be used in a treatment of alternative to the penicillin. Also the respiratory tract, urinary tract and the soft tissue infection, surgical prophylaxis in case of meningitis and the typhoid disease. Then the third derivative which will be having the beta-lactam ring is a carbapenem's derivative. These are the beta-lactam class of the antibiotics commonly used for the treatment of severe or high-risk bacterial infection. Example, imipenem, meropenem, ferropenem and the diazoxapenem. Then these are the having the flashback of that carbapenems are their antibacterial spectrum, gram-positive E. cocci, Enterobacter. These are the various class of the class of the microorganism which will be shows the reaction by the carbapenem derivative. Also the carbapenem derivative is active against the anaerobes. Then resistance, the penicillinase producing by the staphylococci microorganism causes the breakdown of the carbapenem derivative and loss of the activity of the carbapenem derivative. What are the adverse drug reaction? There is a hypersensitivity reaction, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Then interaction, the carbapenem shows the interaction with the valproic acid and produces the seizures. Then what are the uses? As I told you earlier, it is used in case of severe hospital acquired infection, respiratory urinary type of the tissue infection, then infection in a neutropenic and the cancer and the AIDS patient. Also for the Penicillium aeruginosa infection, it should be used in combination with the gentamicin. Then next class is a monobactam. Monobactams, why these are called as a monobactam? Because bacterially they are produced by the beta-lactams antibiotics and which contain 3-beta-aminothiazolil oxime is a side chain and it is contain the only one ring in its structure. It is not fused with any other ring. Example is azathioprine. it is having the antibacterial spectrum is it will be act against the gram-negative bacteria and the H. influenza. It will not inhibit the gram-positive bacteria and the anaerobe bacteria. Then it will shows the resistance by the gram-negative bacteria by producing the enzyme beta-lactamase. Adverse drug reaction, it will show the adverse drug reaction by rashes and increase the serum aminotransferase enzyme. Then it trigger the seizures in an epileptic patient, and their interaction and uses are same like a penicillin derivative. These are the various references used for the preparation of the slide. Thank you.